So it has been on a pretty impressive bullish run since early April, has been going up pretty strong. You can highlight by the green box here, we've got an upward channel for the prices here. So it has been pretty respectful of this channel dating back since, looks like about early May. I've seen a couple of times tried to break out above and it's traded back into the range. As well, we can see on here, we've got our 3 moving averages, that's the 50, 100, and the 200 day, are all fanned out, evenly spaced, all pointing up into the same direction, which is a good signal for bullish momentum. This is also shared by the MACD and the RSI lines, which are above their respective signals, which historically will be an indicator of bullish momentum. So if we move this now into the daily, get a bit of an understanding of where we're sitting for the moment. So as you can see just here at the open on Monday morning, this morning, we did see a jump higher. So the reason for that is because over the weekend, we did see the Japanese Prime Minister resign. I think it was largely to the expectations of markets, but why I'm thinking the reason why it has jumped up is that it increases the chance for the Bank of Japan to hold their rates for longer. We have seen historical comments from the Bank of Japan as well as other central bank heads that they do tend to leave the rates untouched while the political uncertainty is still within the scope as well. Just wanted to touch on, we do have comments. So we do have one of the front runners for the Japanese Prime Minister spot at the moment. That is Sanae Takachi, who is historically negative and favours monetary policy easing, which I also do think has added to the Nikkei's support on here. So for where I'm thinking for the charts now, I see it did jump high, pretty high towards the open and has since traded back down. And I'm expecting a little bit more of a pullback on this, so we can find support before continuing up. I'm thinking that we found here, it's had a considerable jump above, but I'm looking for the prices to pull back towards this previous resistance on Friday. Pull back, find a bit of a consolidation before carrying on to challenge towards its all-time highs. Now, if we move this into the 4 hourly, let's get a bit of an idea of where we're sitting for the moment. So as I say, we are expecting, I'm looking for a bit of a pullback on the price, which looks like it has actually been going for the start of the day as well. See, the RSI did briefly drift into the overbought area, which historically will be met by somewhat of a pullback on the price, which is what we are seeing now. I still do think it has a little ways to go. However, I am a buyer in this market, so I'm looking to buy the dip. Looking for the prices to come down, could be towards a psychologically significant price, potentially around the 43,500. If we see it find support here and continue up, I'm looking for an entry. Although if we do see a break lower, I do think it will continue, maybe towards today's opening price. But when we do find support, if I am seeing that, I'm seeing the RSI drifting within our range and the MACD continues to be bullish on here, I will be looking for an entry to go in, maybe to challenge on towards its all-time highs.